Have you ever looked into your dog's eyes and wondered how you can give them the longest life possible, the happiest life possible, the most fulfilled life possible? We all want more time with our pack members, more years of walks, more seasons of fetch, and more quiet moments of connection. The amazing news for 2024 is that this wish is becoming more of a reality than ever before. We are living in a time of incredible change where science and our deep love for dogs are coming together in powerful ways. It's not just about treating sickness anymore. It's about creating a foundation of wellness that helps our dogs thrive from the very beginning, honoring the natural animal within them. This isn't just a small step forward, it's a giant leap in how we understand and care for our best friends. The world is moving fast, and the world of dog health is moving even faster. Just a generation ago, the tools and knowledge we had were so much more limited. We did our best with what we knew, but today we know so much more. This rapid evolution is driven by one simple, powerful force: our recognition of dogs as true family members. We demand better for them because we see them as more than just pets. They are our partners, our confidants, and they deserve the same level of care and attention we would give any loved one. When you walk into a modern veterinary clinic today, it can feel like stepping into the future. The days of vets relying only on a stethoscope and their experienced hands are evolving. Now they have an arsenal of amazing technology that helps them see inside your dog's body with incredible detail. Advanced imaging like high-resolution MRI and CT scans allows them to find problems like tumors or joint issues much earlier and with more precision than ever before. This means less invasive exploratory surgeries and faster, more accurate diagnoses. It's like giving your vet superpowers to see exactly what's going on so they can create the best plan to help your dog get back to being a happy, balanced member of your pack. Another incredible advancement is the rise of minimally invasive surgery, often called keyhole surgery. Instead of large incisions that require long, painful recovery times, vets can now use tiny cameras and specialized instruments to perform complex procedures. This could be anything from removing a gallbladder to repairing a torn ligament. The benefits for your dog are huge: less pain, a much lower risk of infection, and a significantly faster return to their normal life of walks and play. We are also seeing amazing progress in regenerative medicine for dogs. In my work, I always talk about understanding a dog's energy and behavior. Today, technology is giving us a new way to do that, even when we are not physically with them. Smart collars and other wearable devices are like fitness trackers for our dogs, but they do so much more. These gadgets can monitor your dog's activity levels, tracking how much time they spend walking, running, playing, sleeping. This gives you a clear baseline of their normal daily routine. If you suddenly see a big drop in activity, it could be the very first sign that something is wrong, long before your dog shows obvious symptoms of pain or illness. It's a powerful tool for early detection. Many smart collars now track vital signs like heart rate, respiratory rate, giving you and your vet a window into their internal health. Some can even detect subtle changes in behavior, such as increased scratching, increased licking, which could signal allergies, skin issues, anxiety. Think of it as your dog's digital voice. They can't tell you in words that they feel itchy or that their heart was racing from a loud noise while you were out, but this data can. Another amazing feature of this smart technology is GPS tracking. Every dog owner's worst nightmare is a lost pet. A smart collar with a reliable GPS tracker provides incredible peace of mind. You can set up virtual safe zones around your home and yard, and if your dog ever wanders outside of that area, you get an instant alert on your phone. You can then track their location in real time. For so many years, we scooped dry kibble into a bowl and didn't think much more about it. But that is changing, and for a very good reason. The food we give our dogs is the fuel for their entire being. It affects their energy, it affects their coat, it affects their joints, and it affects their behavior. The new trend in dog nutrition is all about personalization, moving away from the one-size-fits-all approach. Food science has shown us that every dog is an individual with unique needs based on their breed, age, activity level, specific health conditions. We're finally starting to feed the dog in front of us, not just the average dog. One of the biggest shifts we are seeing is the rise of fresh and human-grade dog food. These are meals made with real whole food ingredients like chicken, beef, carrots, spinach that are fit for human consumption. The ingredients are gently cooked to preserve nutrients and are often delivered right to your door, pre-portioned for your dog's specific caloric needs. The idea is simple. Real food with fewer preservatives and fillers is easier on digestion and provides more bioavailable nutrients. Imagine if you could get a blueprint of your dog's health, a guide that tells you what makes them unique and what challenges they might face in the future. That is exactly what Canine DNA testing offers us today, and it is completely changing the game for proactive pet care. With just a simple cheek swab, you can send your dog's genetic material to a lab and receive a detailed report. For owners of mixed-breed dogs, this is, honestly, incredible. It finally answers the question, what kind of dog is he? Knowing their breed mix isn't just for fun. It helps you understand their innate behaviors, energy levels, potential size. That knowledge is crucial for the right training and exercise. But really, the true power of these DNA tests lies in the health information they provide. These tests can screen for genetic markers associated with over 100 different health conditions. This might include a predisposition for hip dysplasia in a German Shepherd mix, a risk for a specific heart condition in a Cavalier King Charles Spaniel, or a sensitivity to certain medications common in herding breeds. Now, knowing this information doesn't mean your dog will get sick. It means you and your vet are now armed with powerful knowledge. You can watch for early symptoms, perform preventative screenings, and make lifestyle choices that can delay or even prevent the onset of a genetic disease. Let me tell you about Buddy, a 10-year-old Labrador who had always been the leader of his neighborhood dog park. His owner, a woman named Sarah, noticed he was slowing down, which she first thought was just old age. But then he started limping badly after their walks. Her vet recommended not just an X-ray, but a full course of regenerative therapy using Buddy's own stem cells for his severe arthritis. Sarah was hesitant at first, but she went ahead. Within a few months, the change was incredible. Buddy was no longer limping. He was meeting her at the door with his tail wagging for their walks again. He wasn't a young puppy, but the therapy had turned back the clock on his pain, giving him back his joy and his role as the happy leader of the park. Then there is the story of a little terrier mix named Pip. His family adopted him from a shelter and used a DNA test mostly out of curiosity. They were shocked when the results came back showing Pip had the genetic marker for a condition called degenerative myelopathy, a progressive disease of the spinal cord. It was scary news, but it was also a gift. Their vet immediately put Pip on a special regimen of exercise, physical therapy, specific supplements known to support neurological health. Pip is now 5 years old and shows no signs of the disease. While there is no cure, his family's early action, prompted by that one test, has given him the best possible chance to live a long and normal life. With all this new technology and information, it can feel overwhelming, but your most important role has not changed. You are your dog's pack leader. Your calm, confident energy is the foundation of their well-being. The first and most simple step you can take today is to commit to their physical needs. This means consistent daily exercise. A walk is not just about going to the bathroom, it's a primal ritual. It's a journey you take together that drains excess energy, stimulates their mind, strengthens your bond. Make sure the walk is structured, with your dog walking beside or behind you. This reinforces your role as the leader and creates a calm, focused state of mind for your dog. Second, become a student of your dog. Observation is one of your most powerful tools. Before you look at an app, look at your dog. Watch how they eat, how they play, how they rest. Do you notice any changes in their routine? Are they licking a paw more than usual? Are they hesitant to jump on the couch? These small details are your dog's way of communicating with you. Keep a simple journal, either in a notebook or on your phone, to track these observations. While we celebrate these wonderful advancements, we must also recognize the new challenges that come with our modern lifestyles. Our dogs live in a human world that is often not designed for their natural instincts. They deal with stresses we might not even notice. The solution is balance. Remember, dogs are still animals. They have primal needs that must be met, no matter how advanced our technology becomes. No smart collar replaces a long, structured walk. No scientifically formulated food replaces training problem-solving games. Embrace new tools. Use them to find balance. Looking ahead, the future of dog health is more than just promising. It is inspiring. The journey we are on is one of deeper understanding, greater connection, more profound responsibility, are all working toward a common goal: to honor the silent contract we have with our dogs. They give us their unconditional love, their loyalty, their trust. In return, we owe them the best possible care we can provide. The path forward is bright. We can ensure a healthier and happier future for our packs. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.